Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hanmant. This video is mainly for educational purpose. This is a view on Reliance for a period of 1 month duration. Here this particular stock, if we observe in different time frames, 15 minutes or 1 hour or weekly time frame, this particular stock is showing a kind of consolidation in this particular range of 2200 to that of 1900, and slowly the consolidation has take a upward shift, and now the range is from 2043 to that of 2200. So here if we observe it, it is very close to this particular 20-day moving average on weekly basis, and if we take up in daily time frame, it is very close to this, and even it has shown a kind of support zone in this particular area. Now we have a view that this particular stock can take support at the current level. In case if it has to come down, then we consider the stop loss to be below this particular candle, right, which we observe in 15 minutes time frame, that is near about 2137 can be our stop loss. But to have a better kind of buffer zone, will take up a little bit below this. And if we also observe a kind of by making a trend line from this particular point to that of this particular high to that of a kind of lower high, then we could understand that it has even broken this particular, it has come out of this particular trend line, and now it is trying to take support over here even in lower time frame of 15 minutes. Now if we observe it in daily time frame, previously it has made a high of around 2300 also, that is 2275 was the nearest high, and now it has much probability to reach these levels, and it may even overcome this particular values, and it may even move in the upward direction. But basically we consider a target of around 2200, right, or it will be around a slight bit 2230 also. So that will be our target. So presently let us consider here what is its state in 1 hour time frame. Even in 1 hour time frame also, the highest value that it has attained is 2200. So we consider the previous high to be as our target level, and the stop loss would be around 2136, and it has much probability to move in the upward direction. So let us consider, can we get a better supportive entry here? So this particular point of 2157, support point of this particular 2157 can be a better point to entry, and if we consider this to be as the better point to entry, then under such condition here 20 points would be our stop loss, near about 1%, and I said the target can be around 2200, then it will be around let us consider here what will be the target. The target would be around 2.2%, right, 2.2%. so this is in a kind of risk to reward of 1:2, right. So friends, this is a view on Reliance, and high probability that it may move in the upward direction. And if you like this video, please do share, subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.